How deep can the GoPro go?
Hello everyone! Today is our 14th Koh Phi Phi and today we're doing a boat tour. Oh my god, another construction sound!
Oh, there's construction all over the side.
Yeah! Today finally it's sunny. In the last 3 days it was so rainy. It was my previous vlog if you're interested. But today we're doing a half-day boat tour in a long-tail boat.
Good.
It's from 2 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. so we'll see how it goes. We paid for 50 baht for this boat tour. Longboat was much cheaper than the speedboat and it's a half-day tour, so we're doing this. Okay, our first stop is Monkey Beach and it's like full of tourists right now. Everyone is trying to see the monkeys, but there is one right here. I can't stay. Oh no! Oh my god. He's not scared at all. They told us that they might attack us, so we don't get very close. But like, I just want to touch them. To the next stop. Okay, what's the point? What's the point of this?
I have no idea.
We're in Viking Cave.
Looks cool.
But we cannot swim.
Look at this dangling shit though.
That's true.
That's so nice.
Which stuff is that?
The lagoon.
How is the water?
Oh, it's so nice.
Okay, this is my favorite place. Look at this. I'll test out this. Even though I have a GoPro, I'm gonna test out this $15 Amazon thing. Yeah, I was gonna use that Amazon product, but then someone jumped with it from the longboat, and then he came up, and then I was like, oh no, because he lost his like phone case. The clip didn't hold it. I mean, that's the other part of it, but like, I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna use that.
Yours floats, which is nice, yeah.
On to the next stop.
Snorkeling.
Snorkeling.
I'm not sure where it is, but yeah.
This place was amazing. We stayed only 30, not even 30 minutes, 20 minutes?
Oh yeah? Yeah, that's quick, yeah.
Yeah. So we're next to a pier, and this pier goes to Maya Bay and it's closed. We're seeing a beach there.
Yeah, we could go to
That looks so nice. We are in the next destination. This time we are gonna snorkel. So we're gonna switch to GoPro again. I guess there are some fishes this time. There are some fish, but like not that many, I guess. I was expecting maybe more colorful this and the sea, but it's not that much. Next stop, and it's gonna maybe rain. We feel like it might rain. This is not the greatest spot, I feel like, because they're doing construction there. But this side looks better. We're gonna stay in the beach for an hour now. And this is how the engine of the longboat looks like. Pretty huge. And it goes like this to the back as well. And this is the steer wheel.
Outside, who'd done the fight like the night before, and he had like 2 black eyes.
Two longboats are attached to each other now.
It's gonna start raining. I don't want to be in it. Oh shit, yeah.
One more longboat is coming.
He's been carrying them around for like 2 weeks now.
So one boat went back because some people were hungry, but we're staying for the planktons. And we were like, okay, let's go back to the beach. But they told us it was very shallow. But we were still going and we saw so many sea urchins. Yeah. Like, it was like this close to my body, I feel like. But we made it back. Perfect. I hope we see plankton.
Me too, yeah.
Now.
I hope we see the plankton.
Yeah. So I switched the camera. I think at dark it's worse. Such a quality change from my phone. We're waiting for the planktons. It's pretty dark now, but we don't see anything yet. Wait, so we need to swim.
Yeah, I gotta go in the ocean.
Oh, I see them. I swear.
What?
What?
Yeah, you see them.
Where?
Fucking hell, I see them.
Oh wow!
It's not wow, you just see legs flashing.
It's sparkly!
Look on both sides of the ship.
Okay, let's swim.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Finally, we're back to the island. It was a great tour, I think.
Yeah.
And we also learned that someone else in the group, they paid 700 bahts, but we paid 450 bahts. So, bargain. That's what I'm saying. Where we get it was like right after the pier. It's the place on the left. So we talked with them, and at first they said 500 to us, and then they were like, okay, we can do it 450 for you. So we're like, okay, that's good.
I think we could have gotten down to 400 too.
Maybe.
Yeah, honestly, we could have argued.
Yeah.
Because they were pretty chill with the 450.
Yeah. And for the planktons, we couldn't see. Like, I jumped in the water, and then when I was like trying to swim like this, I was see some sparkling. I don't know if it's that. If it's that,
Yeah.
okay, I saw, but like...
Yeah, no, that's it, that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, then I saw it. But it was... Like, I thought it was bubbles in the sea.
I thought the whole water would become just like fluorescent.
Yeah,
it was just like
why.
a quick spark of white and then it's
Yeah.
gone. I don't... That's why I said someone else go first. I want to make sure that we can see it before I jump in the water.
I mean, I was okay with swimming anyways. That was it. This was the boat tour, half-day boat tour. I think half-day bird set. And we couldn't see the Maya Bay because it was closed. We heard that because of the storm in the last 2 days.
Yeah, I don't know.
The pier got ripped off or something.
Damaged.
Even though it looked like there was a pier there though, so I'm still not sure.
It was still a great tour.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for watching. It was all around the video. I switched between GoPro, Canon, my phone, so I don't know how the footage looks like. But I will see you in the next video. We're still not sure where we're gonna go. Oh yeah, probably Krabi. But yeah.